This is an example of a human heart. The heart controls and regulates blood flow, and it helps move blood throughout the body. The blood's main purpose is to deliver oxygen to the cells. We will be talking about and labeling all four parts of the heart: the vessels, the chambers, the valves, and the walls. The deoxygenated blood starts right here, in the right atrium. The blood flows through the tricuspid valve and into the right ventricle. The blood flows through the pulmonary valve and into the pulmonary artery. There are two things to note here. If you hear the word pulmonary, it is generally related to the lungs or the respiratory tract. Another thing to realize is that arteries are blood vessels that go away from the heart. You can remember the 3 A's: artery, away, and aorta, which we'll get to later. Next, the blood flows into the lungs, where there is a gas exchange between carbon dioxide and oxygen, which I'll explain more in another video. The blood, now oxygenated, will come back through the pulmonary veins and into the left atrium. The blood will then go through the bicuspid valve, sometimes called the mitral valve, and into the left ventricle. The oxygenated blood is ready to be transported throughout the body, so it will flow through the aortic valve and into the aorta. The blood can leave from places where the aorta branches off, such as at the top and at the bottom. The blood will be transported to capillaries, where the walls can be as small as 1 cell thick. The oxygen in the blood will flow through the capillary walls and into the cells. This is also the place where arteries become veins. The blood will return through one of 2 veins: the superior vena cava, handling anything above the heart, and the inferior vena cava, handling anything below the heart. There was one last part: the septum. The septum is a skin-like layer that divides the 2 sides of the heart and also separates the 2 nostrils. The deoxygenated blood is ready to go back into the heart and get another big boost where it can become oxygenated again and repeat the process. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay curious.